Apple's AI master plan just leaked. Smart glasses, AI AirPods, and foldable iPhone. Imagine waking up one morning. You put on your Apple smart glasses. They instantly recognize the people around you, translate conversations in real time, summarize emails floating in front of your eyes, and navigate your day without ever pulling out your phone. Your AirPods quietly tell you someone's name because you met them 6 months ago. Your iPhone? It unfolds into an iPad-sized AI workstation. This isn't science fiction. According to multiple reports, this is Apple's roadmap for the next several years. For years, many people believed Apple had fallen behind in AI while competitors like OpenAI, Google, Meta, Anthropic, xAI, and Chinese AI companies raced ahead with increasingly powerful models. But Apple has never been the company that invents first. Apple waits. Then it changes the entire market. And now, the biggest AI hardware transformation in Apple's history may have already begun. Today we'll uncover Apple's secret AI strategy, why it's investing billions into wearable AI instead of chatbots, how smart glasses could become the next iPhone, why camera-equipped AirPods may replace your smartphone for many everyday tasks, and why the foldable iPhone could become Apple's most important product since the original iPhone. By the end of this video, you'll understand why Apple's AI future may be far bigger than most people realize. Apple doesn't win by being first. One thing separates Apple from nearly every technology company. It rarely invents new product categories. Instead, it perfects them. The MP3 player already existed before the iPod. Smartphones existed before the iPhone. Tablets existed before the iPad. Smartwatches existed before the Apple Watch. Wireless earbuds existed before AirPods. Yet, Apple dominated each category because it focused on the entire user experience rather than simply being first to market. Many people criticized Apple after the rollout of Apple Intelligence, arguing that the company had fallen behind competitors in generative AI. But Apple's long-term objective has never been to build just another chatbot. Instead, Apple appears focused on making AI invisible, deeply integrated into devices that people already use every day. This shift from AI as an app to AI as an experience could define the next decade. The real AI device isn't the iPhone. Most companies are competing to build the best AI model. Apple is competing to build the best AI hardware. The distinction is crucial. AI models are becoming increasingly commoditized, but hardware ecosystems create long-term customer loyalty. Apple already has over 2 billion active devices worldwide. Every iPhone, Apple Watch, AirPods, Mac, iPad, and Vision Pro becomes another endpoint for Apple Intelligence. Instead of asking users to open ChatGPT, Apple wants AI to proactively assist throughout the day. This approach relies heavily on on-device processing powered by Apple Silicon. Privacy, speed, battery efficiency, and seamless integration become key competitive advantages. The result? AI that feels less like software and more like a trusted companion. AI AirPods could be Apple's biggest surprise. At first glance, adding cameras to AirPods sounds unusual, but the idea makes sense. Tiny outward-facing cameras could provide visual context to Apple Intelligence. Imagine walking through a grocery store. You look at a product. Your AirPods identify it and whisper nutritional information, reviews, or price comparisons. Traveling overseas? The system could translate signs and conversations instantly. Meeting someone at a conference? Your AirPods might discreetly remind you where you met them before. These devices become intelligent assistants that understand your surroundings. Unlike smartphones, they don't require you to hold up a screen. Instead, AI fades into the background. This represents ambient computing, technology that helps without demanding your attention. If Apple succeeds, AirPods could evolve from audio accessories into everyday AI companions. Smart glasses. Apple's next iPhone moment? Perhaps the most ambitious part of Apple's roadmap is smart glasses. Unlike the larger Vision Pro headset, these glasses aim to be lightweight enough for daily wear. The concept is straightforward. Instead of constantly looking down at a phone, digital information appears naturally within your field of view. Navigation arrows guide your walk. Live translation overlays foreign text. Messages appear discreetly. Objects are identified instantly. Restaurants display ratings as you pass. AI becomes spatial rather than confined to a screen. The challenge has always been making such devices lightweight, stylish, power-efficient, and socially acceptable. Apple has spent years developing custom silicon, advanced displays, sensors, and low-power chips to address these issues. If successful, smart glasses could eventually become the next major computing platform after smartphones. Foldable iPhone. More than a folding screen. Many people think foldable phones are simply larger smartphones. Apple likely sees something different. A foldable iPhone could become an AI productivity machine. Imagine opening a single device into an 8-inch display. One side runs your AI assistant. The other displays documents, spreadsheets, or creative projects. Generative AI could summarize meetings while you edit presentations. You could write, code, sketch, and collaborate without switching devices. Combined with Apple Intelligence, the foldable iPhone becomes a portable workstation rather than merely another phone. The folding display is just the beginning. AI is the real feature. Apple's hidden AI strategy. The most important part of Apple's roadmap isn't any single device. It's how they work together. Your glasses see the world. Your AirPods hear it. Your iPhone processes it. Your Mac creates with it. Your Apple Watch monitors your health. Every device shares context through Apple Intelligence. This creates an AI ecosystem that's difficult for competitors to replicate. The value doesn't come from one product. It comes from owning the entire experience. This ecosystem strategy has helped Apple dominate consumer technology for years. AI simply expands that advantage. Can Apple beat OpenAI, Google, and Meta? While OpenAI, Google, Anthropic, xAI, and Meta continue competing to build the smartest AI models, Apple appears to be taking a different path. It doesn't necessarily need the most advanced model. It needs the AI that billions of people use every day because it's built into devices they already own. If Apple delivers AI that's private, reliable, fast, and seamlessly integrated, it could become the largest AI distribution platform in the world. The next AI winner may not be determined solely by model benchmarks. It may be determined by who controls the hardware ecosystem. And Apple already has one of the strongest ecosystems ever built. The AI race is no longer just about software. It's becoming a battle for the next generation of computing. Apple's roadmap suggests a future where smart glasses replace many phone interactions, AI-powered AirPods become personal assistants, and foldable iPhones evolve into portable AI workstations. Whether every reported product arrives on schedule remains to be seen, but the direction is clear. Apple is betting that the future of AI will be experienced through devices, not just apps. If that vision succeeds, it could reshape consumer technology, much as the original iPhone did nearly 2 decades ago. The next trillion-dollar opportunity may not come from building the smartest chatbot. It may come from making AI feel effortless, personal, and always available. If you enjoyed this deep dive into Apple's AI future, don't forget to like, subscribe, and let me know in the comments. Which Apple AI device are you most excited about? Smart glasses, AI AirPods, or the foldable iPhone?